With a heart untouched, he danced with the breeze. He was wild and bold, living life on his own. No chains could hold him, no ties ever known. And she appeared like a goddess in the mist. Aphrodite's gaze, impossible to resist. His heart skipped a beat, the wolf felt the pull, restoring his soul. She's gonna change it all. Her smile, the stare. He found himself caught by her silken hair. Her words were a spell, a sweet serenade. In her artful touch, he started to fade. Gone was the wild, replaced by her flame. The wolf in him tamed, but not quite the same. He walked a new path with her by his side. No longer alone, in her love he'd abide. He fell deeper in with each passing day. His heart now found in the most beautiful way. He let go of the past, of his amorous spree. For the love of Aphrodite, he was finally free. Transformed and renewed, he sang a new song. In her tender embrace, where he knew he belonged. Yet she loved him enough to still let him roam. In her heart, he found both freedom and home. From the wild to the warm, his journey was clear. He was tamed by her love, yet she kept him near. In the mirror of her eyes, he saw his true self. Not lost, but discovered, his heart on the shelf.